name is Andrzej and this is Jerzy. We are founders and managers of INT. Apart of them, we are also friends.
It's been 10 years since we set up this company, which grew from 3 to 15 engineers and develops a few hundred systems all over the world.
In INT, we combine industrial automation with IT systems. Our systems can exchange data with automation devices as well as with the entire ERP system like SAP, Oracle or Microsoft. We understand that each manufacturing plant is different and requires individual approach. And our role is to provide system in collaboration with managers and production teams. Because we base on our own software, imagination is only limit for us.
As a result of our strategy, we are offering, let me say, perfectly fit on-demand industrial software solutions according to actual Industry 4.0 idea.
The power of ANT is complexity of offer, from idea through implementation to maintenance. This means our potential competitors would have a really tough job to offer some similar solutions.
Our customer achieve tools for efficiency and productivity growth of production, maintenance and quality departments. Typically, we are covering the usual IT gap between production floor and more demanding ERP and business intelligence systems.
Implementation in one plant is often transferred to another. This way, we participate in fourth industrial revolution as well as in the success of evolved managers. Let's meet in your plant.